Hello lovely people! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's makeup, what I'm gonna do is black smoky eye makeup. This will be good for evening makeup if you're going for parties or kung gusto nyo lang magmukhang rock chicks, ganon. Sana magustuhan nyo, and I'm not gonna keep it long. I'm gonna start now. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna use my primer. And then after the primer, of course, is foundation. So after the foundation, I'm going to use concealer. Then I'm gonna use damp sponge to blend it. Ayan. So, pagka maayos yung pagkaka-blend nyo, maganda siyang tingnan, mukha kang putis porcelana. So, what I'm gonna do now is, i-bake ko siya. So, lalagyan ko siya ng powder. I'm gonna use the damp sponge as well. So, ayan, mukha na akong espasol. Pero actually, kailangan ko yan para yung powder later na black, pag kumalat, madali lang linisin. I'll go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm using Benefit's eyebrow pen. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna put a bit of concealer to correct my eyebrows. Okay, so since I'm gonna apply black eyeshadow later anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my eyeliner first as a base for my eyeshadow. Okay, so yan na siya. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use this palette, and I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow to put on top of that. And then I will do the same under. So again, the eyeliner. And then yung black eyeshadow naman. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use this brown shade to blend it. So as you can see, that softened the edges. You can't see any lines compared to this one. And then let's do the other one. Okay, so there's no defined lines. Next, I'll do the same sa baba using the brown color. I'm gonna blend it. I'm just going to apply eyeliner at the top line of my eyes. And then I'm going to use this Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. So, liquid eyeliner tayo today. Again guys, if you're using liquid eyeliner, you can use your pinky as a support to apply para hindi mag-shake yung hands nyo. Okay, so I'm going to clear my face na. Next, I'm gonna use this shade. So, next is mag-curl ako ng lashes ko and then magmamaskara ako. Now, I'm going to put my false lashes. Okay, I'm just going to apply my Lucas Popo. Now I'm going to do contouring. Going to use the bronzer. After the bronzer, I'm going to put highlights naman. And then I'm just gonna use my false lashes curler. So, mas mukha na siyang natural kasi magkadikit na sila nung natural na lashes ko. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Trendsetter. Okay, that's it. Hindi ako masyadong gumagamit ng lip liner because as you can see, very defined na yung lips ko. So, hindi ko na siya kailangang i-define pa or hindi ko siya kailangang i-reshape kasi yung shape niya is how I wanted it is anyway. So, yan. And then, I'm just gonna add some shimmer. And voila! So, yan muna siya. And then, magpapalit lang ako ng damit. And then, we'll see how it look like. Okay. So, ayan na siya. Nakapagbihis na ako. Pero parang nung nagbihis ako, mas lalo akong nawalan ng damit. Pasensya na po. Naglagay din ako ng contact lens na brown. Wala akong maisip na gawin sa buhok ko, kaya tinali ko na lang siya. Pero, ayan na talaga siya. Mag-picture ako and then we'll see how it look like sa picture. Pero, sa personal, okay naman siya. Actually, kahit sa daylight, maganda siya. So, hindi lang siya pang evening makeup. Pwede rin siya sa araw. Maganda siya. Okay. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe sa channel ko. And sa mga nakapag-subscribe na, thank you so much. And I really appreciate it. Dumadami na yung subscribers ko. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye!